In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where your draw.io mind map is located. In this example, we'll be working from a Confluence page, but the overall process is very similar in Jira as well. The goal here is to adjust the position of a full branch or tree in your mind map without having to manually move each individual node one by one. Once you're inside the page editor, find the mind map you want to modify. Click on the diagram to select it. When it's selected, a floating toolbar should appear near the diagram. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io diagram editor in a pop-up window inside Confluence, where you can make direct changes to the mind map. Now that you're in the editor, click on a parent node in the mind map. This is the main node that has connected branches beneath it. After selecting that node, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side and make sure you are on the Style tab. In the Style tab, look for the Properties section and expand it if it isn't already open. Inside Properties, find the option called Tree Moving and check the box next to it. This setting enables a special control for the selected parent node. Once it's turned on, go back to the canvas and look at the parent node you selected. You should now see an icon with 4 directional arrows. This is the handle that lets you move the entire tree structure as one connected group. Hover over that icon, then click and drag it to the position where you want the tree to go. As you move it, you'll notice that all of the connected branches follow along with the parent node. This makes it much easier to reorganize a mind map cleanly, especially if your diagram has become crowded or if you want to improve spacing and readability. If your mind map has multiple parent nodes that need adjusting, simply repeat the same process for each one. Select the parent node, go to the Style tab, expand Properties, enable tree moving, and then drag the tree using the arrow handle. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly reposition mind map trees in draw.io and keep your Confluence or Jira diagrams organized and easy to understand.